Hi guys, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. If you're someone who loves crafting and want to know more about a crafting business or dive into my journey, then make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. So in today's video I am going to share with you guys some of the recent projects that I have created and that are up for sale on my Instagram store, so you can go check that out. I'll leave a link to that in my description box below. And yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first thing that is up for sale on my Instagram store currently is this mini album. This measures 2 by 2 inches and this is on love theme, and it has 5 pages in it. It has a pocket here. This can hold a photo. A photo can be attached here. This is a blank page for the photo and another photo, and here's a pocket for another photo. So in all it has 5 pages, that is 10 sides, and it can hold 5 photos, and this is non-customizable. You can get this as it is, but if you have any other theme in mind or you want it on any other theme for any other occasion, this can be customized for you as well. So this is the very first thing. Then the next thing that we have up on store for sale is this cute explosion box. It has a shaker lid and it opens up like this. It can hold 4 photos here and 4 photos on the outside as well, and 1 photo here, here, and 2 more photos here. So in total it can hold 8 photos on the flaps here and 5 photos here. That makes up the total to 13. So this is the shaker box that we have. You can get the same one or you can get it customized according to your occasion. That can also be done. The next thing in the store which is up for sale is yet another explosion box. This is in the Minion theme for a birthday girl. I recently made an order on this same theme and I really loved how this turned out, so I made an extra one. So this is up for sale. This has a pink pattern here and it says one in a Minion birthday girl. And when you open it, we have a small box here, and we have various options from which you can choose to keep things inside this box. And to know more details about what all you can put in here, please DM us on my Instagram store or my private handle. I'll be happy to help you guys there. And it can hold 8 photos, either 4 or 8. So 4 inside and 4 outside. I would recommend that you just take 4 photos inside because it keeps the look much nicer. Then the next and the last thing that we have up for sale on the store is this cute handbag, and this contains a tag booklet inside. So it has 10 tags in all and it has various pockets inside. So the first pocket is this one, then the second tag, the third, then again we have a pocket here, again a pocket here, then we have a pocket here, so we have 10 tags in all, and this comes as a combo. This is the perfect gift for someone who loves handbags and wallets, and this is done in golden, black and pink theme. So this is as it is up for sale, but if you want we can get this customized in some other color theme as well. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any notifications from my channel in the future. And if you have any queries regarding these things, or you want to get any other gift customized for your loved ones, make sure you're checking out my Instagram page. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below, as I said earlier also. And yes, this was pretty much it. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.